Not only is the Core Nexus the ultimate tool for ending lower back, hip, and sciatica pain, but it's also a great all-in-one massage tool. I've been having some issues with my calf, and I'm going to use it on my calf today. Basically, I'm going to get in here a little bit, kind of feel where I can find the knot. Oh, yeah. Feeling it right in there. So, do this to kind of loosen it up, and then I'll dig in a little bit deeper. There's where the knot is. Fill it in there. Put a tad bit of lotion on here. You can use the broader edges of the tool, more like an elbow. And then when you really want to get in there, you can use this tip. And it's more like 2 thumbs. That there will really get in there. It's knots on the soleus. Now that I got in here a little bit, I'm gonna get into a little different position so I can dig in there a little better. So I've actually found, for me, this is the easiest way to really release the calf. The calf's in a relaxed position here, but this allows you to really get into the muscle. And there, you can really feel right there. That really gets into the muscle. You can kind of hold it there if you're feeling some pain. You can also use the broader end of the tool. You can also use the Core Nexus on the floor for your calf as well. Also, don't forget the Core Nexus is water resistant, so you can use it in the shower, bath, or sauna. One pro tip, use this small rounded outside edge. It's perfect for getting into the calf muscle. So there you have it, calf release with the Core Nexus. Feel free to let us know if you have any questions. And please watch this video to see how the Core Nexus can benefit you as not only the ultimate Psoas and Iliacus release tool, but as an all-in-one massage tool.